Hello students, now we will see the problem based on permutation and combination. So let's begin this chapter. Okay, so here is a question that Anu wishes to buy a birthday card for her brother Manu and send it by post. Five different types of cards are available at the gift shop and four different types of postage stamps are available at the postal office. Now, how many ways can she choose the postcard and the stamp? Again, very simple question. Out of those five types of, uh, we can say, cards, she can choose one card, 5C1, right? And out of those four different postage stamps are available at post office, she can choose any one, four out of one. This comes out to be what? This comes out to be 5 by 4 factorial into 1 factorial. So this comes out to be 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is what? 20. So 20 ways are there in which she can do this. Okay. There are 5 red, 4 white and 3 blue balls in a bag. They are drawn one by one and arranged in a row. Assuming that all 12 marbles are drawn, determine the number of different uh, arrangements. Number of different arrangement. Okay, this is the question. What they ask you, there are three types of ball, right? That is red, white, and blue marbles. Okay, in a bag, and out of those, they are drawn one by one and arranged in a row. Means there are 12 total. Out of those, one by one, they are finding, taking out the balls, right? The marbles, and after that, out of those, determine the number of different arrangement which they can do. Means after taking those balls out, what they are doing, they are arranging those balls in number and number ways. Okay, so you have to find out the different number of ways in which they can arrange this. Okay, so here how many you have this total number of balls, that is are 12 and of different color, right? So out of those 10, 12, 12, out of 12 balls, you have to select certain balls, and those balls are going to be like, out of 12 balls which you drawn, some balls are of what? Red color, some are of white color, and some are of blue color, right? So after doing this, means what we did is, there are different number of, we have to find the number of permutation. Okay, because they ask us to find out number of different arrangements. Okay, if we have to make selection, if we have to select, then we take combination, and whenever there is arrangement or ways, we take permutation. So out of 12 marbles, he asks you to find arrangements or ways. Out of 12, you have to first, you will take out, let's assume all 5, he will take next 4 white and 3. So after doing this, whatever is left, he is left with, that will be your answer. So you can solve it, or either you can get this as in options. Okay, no, they will not give you such long calculations, they will just give you option like this. You can tick mark one of the options. Okay, in how many ways can 8 people be seated in a round table? This is a very simple question, right? How many ways you can find out they are sitting in a right, 8 people are seated in a round table. Suppose this is first person that is seated. After that, there are 7 positions, right? So these 7 positions can be filled in 7 ways, right? 7 ways. There were total how many? 8 positions were there. One position we are taking as stationary. Why we are taking as stationary? Because after fixing one position, you will fix other, na? At one time. So similarly, you fixed one position at one time, means one chair at one time, and then you are rotating this like this, -1. Every time you do this, for first incident, when you go for circular motion, this one chair you will fix, right? and after that you will rotate this one. So from 8 minus 1 factorial, that is equivalent to what? 7 factorial. So 7 factorial value is 5040. So this is the answer. Okay. So here is a question, you have to evaluate these values. You can easily do this, right? Level C3, so its value comes out to be level upon 3 factorial upon 8 factorial, right? So after solving this, you will get the value. Okay, or you can left it here only. For second one, 10 factorial upon 8 factorial into 2 factorial. How this comes? N. I told you this is N, this is R. What is that? NCR. So this is N factorial upon N minus R factorial into R factorial. You can solve it like this. You can find out the values of different numbers. Okay. Similarly, 100 upon 98 by 98 into 2 factorial, right? So this 98 can be cancelled like this, right? And this can be cancelled. 2 factorial means this 50 into 99. You can find out the value. Comes out to be 4950. This how you need to evaluate various values. Okay, here is a question: in how many ways can 5 member forming a committee out of 10 be selected so that 2 particular member must be included and 2 particular member must not be included? Okay, so first case is 2 particular member is particularly included. So what that means? That means out of those 5, 2 position is already reserved, right? 2 position are already reserved for 3 members, and out of those 10 members, right? Out of this 10 members, 2 position is again reserved, right? So now how many choices you have? You have out of 5 members, 2 members are already reserved, so 3 members, and out of 10, 2 members included means always included. So how many seats are remaining? 8 seats are remaining. Na? This is remaining seats. So now you have to choose out of 8, total out of 10 seats, right? Total there were 10 seats. Now out of 10 seats, you have to choose what? How many you have to choose? Whenever you have to choose, you have to apply combination, right? You have to choose 3 members. Why 3? Because 2 seats are always included. After doing this, you will get 8C3, that's value you can find out, 8 factorial upon 3 factorial by 5 factorial. This value you can find out by doing these calculations. And second is 2 particular member must not be included. What that means? 2 particular members are not included. So out of 10, 2 members are not included. So how many is remaining? 8. And this 5 member, these remain the same, right? Because not included. So these are not included. No? These are the members that need to be included. So out of 5 members, out of 10 members, how many are remaining? 8 you send back, and out of those 8 committee, you have to select 5 because no member is excluded. So after doing this, 8 factorial upon 3 factorial upon 5 factorial, this value also comes the same, that is 56. This is how you need to solve this question. Okay, so here is a question that there are 14 points in a plane, out of which 4 are collinear. Find the number of triangles formed by points as vertices. So you know that there are 14 points, right? And to form triangle, how many points or vertices you required? 3 points you required, right? So out of 14, you have to select 3 points, right? But you know that 4 points are collinear. 4-point collinear means they are on same plane like this. Okay, so this is the meaning of collinear. So whenever such cases come, collinear case, you have to take the number of collinear, that are 4, and how many dots are required to make triangle? 3 are required. So after you separate it, you got the answer. So 14C3, so 14 into 13 into 12, right? This comes out to be 11. 11 get cancelled. 3 into 2, 6. 6 means 2 into 2, 13. This is 28. 28 into 13. So you can do. this comes out to be 364 minus 4c1, so 4 factorial upon 3 factorial into 1 factorial, so 4 into 3 factorial, so 3 cancel, minus 4, this comes out to be 360. So 360 is the answer of this question. Okay. So here is a question that out of 7 boys and 4 girls, how many queues means line, right? How many lines of 3 boys and 2 girls can be formed? So out of 7 boys, you have to select 3 boys. And I told you whenever there is and, you have to multiply, and whenever there is or, you have to add. So and means multiply. So multiply from girls, 4 girls, you have to select 2 girls. So 4c2. So after solving this comes out to be 7, 6, 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial into 3 factorial. So this cancels out. 3 factorial we can write out 3 into 2 into 1. So this comes out to be 6. So 6 cancel. So this comes out to be 35 into 4 C2. That means 4 factorial upon 2 factorial upon 2 factorial. So 4 factorial I can write 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. So this 2 cancel, and 2 factorial as 2 into 1. So that means 2. So 4 divided by 2 means 2, right? So 2 into 3, that is 6. So 35 into 6, this comes out to be 210. And 210 is the number of ways of selecting 4 boys and 3 boys and 2 girls out of 7 boys and 4 girls. Now we have to see the number of queues. So how many people we have to select? 5 people, and I can arrange this 5 people in 5 ways, 5 factorial, right? So 5 factorial means 5 ways I can arrange. So this comes out to be 5 factorial. So 5 factorial means 120, right? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This value comes out to be 120. So 210 is the number of ways I can select 3 boys and 2 girls, and I can arrange them in 5 factorials way, or 120 ways I can arrange those 5 people. I can keep one boy at the starting. In second position I can keep a girl, or else 1, 2, 3 all boys, fourth position girl, or else 1, 2, 3 boys, 1, 2 boys, third girl, fourth boy, and fifth girl. Like this you can arrange this 5 people in 120 ways. Okay, so if you multiply this 210 into 120, so this comes out to be 25200. So your answer is 25200. Okay, thank you.